back to my channel, C.Taylor-Marie. Today is going to be all about my natural hair must-haves, what are my go-tos, what are my favorites, things I know is going to work with my hair automatically. Of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my video I uploaded before this one, which goes ahead and shows you guys my twist out using the Pantene Goat series. This is currently day 6 of my twist out. I kind of just went ahead and put it in the puff. It lasted all the way till day 5, and this morning I woke up and I was just like, oh, we're gonna put this up. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my coat wash routine and take care of it and everything after this video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next, you guys, so make sure, like I said, go ahead and subscribe so you can see my next hairstyle. I'm always changing it up. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get into my natural hair must-have. My very first one that I'm going to go ahead and talk about is a deep condition. I have been natural since 2013. Before I start, you guys, actually, I want to let you guys know I have 4C, 4B hair. And then my front, it's a little bit of some 3C hair. But yeah, that's typically my hair texture. That just means my curls are tight, my hair is coily and things like that. More looser curls in the front. And then I have high porosity hair, which means that moisture enters my hair really easily, but just as easily as it enters my hair, it exits my hair. So for me, it's really about going in and make sure I'm moisturizing my hair really good, locking in that moisture, sealing it in, and making sure it lasts. So back to what I was saying. I've been natural since 2013. I have been trying deep conditions, so many deep conditions within that time frame. I stand by deep condition. I love deep condition. I will not skip a deep condition no matter what. Everybody knows in my house it's hair day. Don't bother Cheyenne because she's deep conditioning her hair. So with that being said, this happens to be my favorite deep condition at the moment. This is the Pantene Go series repairing mask. I did go ahead and use it in my last video to create my twist out. But yeah, I love this product, you guys. My hair, my hair is moisturized after I rinse it out. It feels different. It's soft, it's lightweight, it's balanced. You can see the shine. My curls are instantly formed. I love it. If you don't feel a difference when you rinse out your deep condition, then you're not using a good deep condition. But if this is my favorite deep condition at the moment, you guys. Like I said, I have been trying deep condition since 2013. And this one just, I know it's gonna work for my hair. It's like one of the ones I go to. There's a couple more, but this one just has to be definitely my top one. Another product I'm gonna go ahead and talk about, you guys. I actually just started using this product. It's kind of new. I haven't been using it for that long. It came out at Sally's. It is the My Black is Beautiful brand. And this is the Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream. So I love this product. Like I said, I only tried it about 5 times already, but even when I start, so I wash my hair out, I deep condition it, and then I go to detangle my hair. A little bit of this goes a long way, but even then, when you put on your hair instantly starts to feel amazing. You get this instant silk, you get this instant moisture, your ends feel amazing. And then the thing I like about it the most, which I think more product lines should start doing, is they make conditioners for your type. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So that says type 4 because I have 4C, 4B hair, but there's also a type 3 for people who have type 3 hair, which I think is awesome because it allows you to use a product that might go perfect with both textures. So definitely one of my favorite at the moment. Natural since 2013, and I started off using Styler, the olive oil kind, and I still use it to this day, you guys. As you can see, it's kind of gone. You can get a new one, but I love Styler. This is, first of all, I tried all the Stylers out there probably. Yeah, I think I tried. I'm actually going to do a video about all the Stylers out there so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, I tried all the Stylers out there. This one right here works amazing with no matter what hairstyle I do. Whether it's going to be a flat twist, a braid out, a twist out, putting my hair in a puff, putting my hair in a slick back ponytail, doing my edges. This one works amazing with all my hairstyles, so that's why I love it. With that being said, talking about Stylers, this is another one of my favorite Stylers, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I did get it because it said cannabis. Like, I was just like, let me try that. And it was in store, and I was like, I didn't even think it was real when I saw it on Instagram, but I saw it at a local hair store, and I was like, I have to try it. So this is one of my favorite. It says it's supposed to help you with headaches and all that stuff, but I don't get headaches that much, so I don't really know if it works for that. I don't get headaches at all, actually, which is amazing. I'm so thankful for that. People talk about headaches, I'm just like, oh, I never experienced that. Okay, so Eco Styler. This is my favorite one. It has cannabis sativa oil in it, black castor oil, and olive oil in it. But the reason I love this one, you guys, is I use it for my twist outs, my braid out, and my flat twists or things like that. The next day after I let my hair dry, I take my bonnet off and I go to untwist my hair. My hair unravels so beautifully, so smoothly, and my hair just feels amazing. My hair has this beautiful bounce to it. I love it. I'm definitely, and I found out where I can get a really big one at, so I'm gonna go pick that up. But those are my top 2 favorite Eco Stylers. Like I said, I have tried them all. I'm going to show you guys which ones I like for which hairstyles and things like that in a later on video. I actually been prepping this, and I think I know how I'm going to do it. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so another one of my go-tos that I have been using since I started 2013 is coconut oil. So, funny story about coconut oil, you guys. I am allergic to coconut. I cannot consume coconut, but this works wonders in my hair. I cannot explain it. My mom cannot explain it. We just kind of one of those things we just don't speak about as in the family. It's strange. But yeah, coconut oil, you guys, it works wonders on my hair. My hair feels amazing and really good at going in there and locking in that moisture, shine. People have mixed feelings about coconut oil. I actually have watched a lot of people who have taken coconut oil out of their hair regimen. I tried that for maybe I did it for like 3 weeks, and I was just like, no, my hair feels annoying. My hair's drying up faster. The moisture's not staying in my hair. My curls aren't popping. My ends aren't popping. Coconut oil, you guys. I stand by coconut oil. So, coconut oil and olive oil. Those are my top favorite. And argan oil. But I'm going to talk about that later, guys. Okay, so another one of my go-to favorite products, the Aussie conditioner. I honestly just started using this like the beginning of this year. I actually started using it because I read it was good for my wigs and retaining my wigs, bringing them back to life. I'm going to do a video actually on how to revive your wigs, you guys, coming up soon. But I tried this, and then one day I was like, okay, I need to co-wash my hair. I couldn't find any conditioner, so I tried this, and I just loved it ever since then. My hair was soft, my hair was bouncy, it had volume. I can feel a difference as I was co-washing it. And then I also used it as a leave-in too, and I just haven't got over it yet. Let me show you guys. Like, I just have 3 of them on standby. I love this stuff, you guys. So, Aussie conditioner. And I can get it at Walmart for like maybe $5 or $4. I know it's $6 at Walgreens. So it might be the same price or less, but I feel like Walgreens is more expensive. Actually, it was Rite Aid. I feel like Rite Aid and Walgreens are just more expensive. Alright, you guys, so another one of my products that I started working into my hair about 2 years ago. I fell in love with it, and then I stopped it thinking, I don't really know why I stopped it, but then I fell in love with it again because I started using it for like weight loss and my skin and my hair, and I was just like, this is a triple threat. I love this. It's not, people kind of think about it as weird when I say I use it or stuff like that, but apple cider vinegar, you guys. So for my hair, I tried to get the raw one that comes in that really, get that with that yellow, pretty yellow, well not pretty, that yellow wrapper, and it comes in a glass bottle. I tried to get that one for my hair. Like I said, I use it for my skin and weight loss. This is the generic kind. I'm actually out of the raw kind. But anyways, I get the raw kind, and I use it in my hair. I started using it in my hair because I was researching high porosity hair. How do I help high porosity hair? How can I maintain high porosity hair? And apple cider vinegar just kept coming up. And at first I was like, I'm pretty sure they use that to clean things. Like, what? No? What? No. Something. But I just kept researching, and finally I just gave in and I used it. And the day I used it, not only did my scalp feel amazing, not only did the glow up come up without me having to shampoo or do like a cold wash or anything like that, just a simple rinse. It did smell bad, so you had to get past the smell. But of course, that's why you have conditioner and other products that smell amazing. But yeah, my scalp and everything felt amazing. But I realized that the moisture in my hair throughout the week was retained more. That's because apple cider vinegar, for people who have high porosity hair, it goes in there and it temporarily repairs those split ends and all that kind of stuff. Because high porosity hair, your hair loses moisture because you have like holes, cuts, your cuticles are damaged, and that's just from heat damage and stuff like that. I flat ironed my hair from 8th grade to senior year in high school, so a lot of heat damage, of course. And I did not do a big chop, you guys. I just went right into natural hair. I did not cut my hair off at all. I'm actually debating if I want to cut my hair off. I think I'm gonna do a big chop soon, you guys. My mom's gonna be shocked that I said that, but I think I'm gonna do it, and I think I'm gonna just regrow my hair again. I think probably not all the way off, but anyways, like I said, I can get off topic. So anyways, back to apple cider vinegar, you guys. So it temporarily goes in there and restores all those cuts and those holes in your hair, so that when you go out there and you do your LOC method, all that moisture is being retained and sealed and locked in even better with somebody who has normal porosity hair. Now, don't get it twisted that as soon as you use apple cider vinegar, your hair is going to go straight normal porosity. No, it temporarily restores it so that you can work on a process to get your hair, normal and stuff like that, you guys. So I'm gonna talk about all that in a later on video, but yeah, definitely try apple cider vinegar for somebody who has high porosity hair. I replace it with my shampoo. I shampoo my hair like every other week. I'll explain that later on too, but when I don't want to shampoo my hair, I just replace it with apple cider vinegar rinse. So definitely one of my favorite products. Alright, you guys, so I really tried to go through my closet, go through my hair vanity, my hair closet, my hair drawers, and I have a lot of natural hair products, you guys, and just really try to figure out what are my standouts, what do I always keep buying, what do I know always works with my hair, you guys. But like I said, I've been natural since 2013, so I have came across so much different hair products, and I have fell in love with so many different things, so it was really hard for me to pick these ones, but these are just my go-tos right now. So like I said, 2 weeks from now I might have something completely different for you guys, being honest. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, so this is my last one I'm gonna go ahead and talk about, you guys. This is the Camille Rose Natural Honey. I love this product. I use this as a cream in my LOC method. So after I go ahead and moisturize my hair, lock in that moisture, I go back with this, not all the time, but I go back in with this. I put it on my hair, my strand of hair that I'm working on, work it in. Curls start forming amazingly. I get like that instant, that bounce of curl that you just love. Yes, that beautiful curl. Oh, yes, you guys, I cannot explain it, but that beautiful curl. And then I twist it up. The next day my hair is soft. It's amazing, it's soft, and then it smells amazing. So that's always a plus too. But like I said, you guys, I really try to go in there and narrow it down to the best I could do. Right now, these are just my go-tos. Like I said, it could change in 2 weeks. But other than that, you guys, yeah, that's basically it for this video. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe like always. Stay tuned. Check out my other videos. I think I'm going to dabble with some wigs again real shortly, but I'm going to focus on natural hair still. I'm still going to focus on natural hair a lot because, like I said, guys, I think I'm going to do a chop and then start growing my hair out again. I don't know if I'm not going through nothing. I don't think I'm going through anything like that. But I think I'm going to do, you guys. So, of course, like I said, go ahead and please subscribe, like, share, comment. And I will see you guys back here next time for who knows what. I'm always doing something different to my hair.